Hi everybody, I'm Amy Stewart. I'm a writer and an artist. I do a lot of sketching in ink and watercolor, especially when I travel. And you know what else I do when I travel? I eat. I think one of the best parts about, going to a new place is getting to try a different cuisine. And the fact is, when you're traveling, that you do end up spending a lot of time kind of sitting around in restaurants. And that means that your travel sketchbook ends up being the perfect place for drawing food and drink when you're sitting around that cafe in the afternoon, or when you want to remember the fancy cocktails on the rooftop, or capture your morning cappuccino, or make a sketch of that blueberry tart that you ate for dessert because you're on vacation and calories don't count. But it's also just kind of a fun way to pass the time. You're sitting around chatting with your friends. And it's not just for travel, drawing your drink, drawing your dinner. Those things are a great way to just practice everyday sketching. So my approach is to draw food and drink in a way that keeps it very simple and very, very quick. Once you learn some basic shapes and a few simple tricks for drawing and painting very quickly at the table, you'll be able to draw whatever's in front of you. We are going to work from photographs in this class, but the idea is that you'll be able to draw your morning coffee before the coffee gets cold. So this style is whimsical and informal, but it's everything you need to know to be able to capture memorable meals and those little everyday moments at the kitchen table with nothing but a pencil and a little watercolor. All right, let's eat and draw.